Dr. Bowen, cast the first stone, if you will. But this is my story. And I did it for the right reasons. Is that even legal?
67 and a 65.
Get the suits off!
You can hire the sex toy if I can hire my mom.
You'll regret it.
So will you.